Well, you might have been wondering why I haven't had a garden update for quite some time. And the main reason is this. Between the drought and the deer, we don't have much of a garden left to speak of. In a couple of days, we're supposed to get some rain and a cool down. Maybe then the deer will have food in the wild and they'll stop eating the garden. And it'll come back. I've been trying to keep it alive. Got a little cucumber plant there. I put this cage around him. Roma tomatoes are just sticks. I don't know if you can see it in there. There's one there. There's one there. Looks like he's up and dying. That's all that's left of the pumpkins. I've been watering them. I haven't watered them today. The only thing that's really doing well is the watermelon. Gave it a good drink the other day, and it seems like the deer don't care for the watermelon. I don't know why, but I'm glad they don't. I might get one. And then the cantaloupe, the deer nibble them down to nothing, but I've been watering them. They look like they're coming back. But every time the squash grow a leaf, the deer nibble it off. So hopefully when they start getting other stuff to eat out there, they'll leave my garden alone, or at least lower the pressure. I put a fence around this guy about a week and a half ago. He's finally starting to grow back. So I had one more, so I put it around that one. Haven't seen a whole lot of signs on him yet. This one here, he was growing back pretty good just the other day. I watered this all real good. Now the deer came through and nibbled it down again. Every time they grow a leaf, it gets eaten. Except for the basil and the marigolds, obviously. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to dig up the area here where the cucumbers were. They were doing so great. And then the deer ate every single leaf. And it just seems to have killed them. So I'm going to plant some new cucumbers in here. You can see they don't like the basil very much either, or the Thai basil. They like everything else. I had some collard greens. You can see how they're doing. They just withered up to nothing. Carrots, basically the same thing. If you know what carrots look like, you can kind of see they're still in there. They're not amounting to nothing. I can't water it enough to keep carrots alive. But I'm going to replant the cucumbers today. Some more squash. Put some sunflower seeds in somewhere, just because I have them. And hopefully this god-awful drought will end. We're supposed to get lots of rain this weekend. Starting in a couple of days, not really the weekend, Wednesday night. Thursday's got a 70% chance of rain, and Friday is supposed to be an all-day rain. And that's what we need, is an all-day rain. This is the Golden Delicious apple. The deer have been nibbling on it a little bit, but not as much as I expected. And over there, this is the Honey Crisp. It's still got leaves too, which I find unusual. Usually deer love apple trees. It's still got leaves. I've been watering it. I've been watering all this. You just can't tell. It's so dry. So dry. The only thing seems to be doing well is the marigolds. They're loving it. They're going crazy. A quick trip over here. The grapevine. About all I'm doing is keeping it alive. The spearmint. And I'm surprised, but I have managed to keep the raspberry alive, the black raspberry. I'm hoping it will come back with a vengeance after a good rain. I don't know if we're going to even have blueberry plants. It's almost dead. One over there has just got one little brown leaf on top of a stick, but it's still got a little bit of a green area. A couple of days from now we get some rain, it just might pull out. Just might pull out of it. And the pecan tree, not doing real well, but it's still alive. And that's what's important, it's still alive. I think it got too much water at the beginning of the year, and now it's not getting enough. So we'll see how that goes. And then there's the other one over there. It seems to be doing fine. Go figure. We lost the 2 little ones we had back there, which I'm not surprised by. They came from Walmart. So that's the garden update. I'm going to get to planting.